Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube video on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So in order for this to work, you need to screen record your screen during the process, okay? So just go ahead and start your screen record and go to your YouTube app and then choose the video that you want to upload on TikTok. So for example, this one. So just go ahead and record the whole video, okay? And then once you've done that, you can now go ahead and open your TikTok app. I just keep in mind that you need to screen record the YouTube video, okay? And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen. And now you want to click on the upload button on the upper right corner of yours. Lower right corner of your screen, and just go ahead and choose the YouTube video that you recorded earlier, and then just go ahead and post it here on TikTok. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.